Hi, I'm Jay, and this is the AprilAire 700 Power Style Humidifier. Maintenance on it is going to be very similar to any of the powered humidifiers, the 700, 768, 760, even the 110 and the 112. So the first thing we're going to do is kill the power and the water to this unit before we do anything. Find the saddle valve, turn it clockwise until it stops. All right, let's take the cover off. On the bottom of this particular model there's a latch. We're going to pull down on it, pull out, and then lift up to get it off of the hooks on the top. And we're just going to set this part on the side. All right, this is the evaporator pad. We're just going to take it and pull it out, get it in our hands. All right, you snap this apart, take this evaporator pad, throw it away. You're going to rinse off the water distribution tray and this frame, which is called the scale control insert. They just get washed and rinsed off. And then you put the new pad in, put the top back on, snap it together. Now this particular model happens to be directional. There's a little groove here that has to go in first towards the back side. So just go like this, slide it into place, and we're going to put the cover back on. On this cover, there are little hooks here and here. They go in first, so this part's the top. So what you do is you angle it up like this, get the top hung on there, push the bottom in, and then shake to make sure that it's latched on there. You don't want this thing falling off in the middle of the night. So it's back on there. Now the only thing we have to do now is turn the power and the water back on and test it. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.